Hi everybody, welcome to our new video. Today I will compare two GPU in this video. So let's go, now enjoy this video. Firstly, we start performance. Base clock 1700 MHz. Boost clock 2500 MHz and 2670 MHz. Memory clock 2400 MHz, 19.2 GBs effective. Pixel rate 200.0 Gpixels and 230.6 Gpixels. Texture rate 360.0 GTXLS and 427.2 GTXLS. FP16 23.04 teraflops 2:1 and 27.34 teraflops 2:1. FP32 float 11.52 teraflops and 13.67 teraflops. FP64 doable 1440 teraflops 1:8 and 1708 teraflops 1:1. Shading units 2304 and 2560. Texture mapping units 144 and 160. Render output units 80. Execution units 18 and 20. Tensor core 144 and 160. RT core 18 and 20. L on L2 cache 256 KB per U 18 MB. Part 2 Memory. Memory size 10 GB and 12 GB. Memory type GDDR6. Memory bus 160 bit and 192 bit. Bandwidth 384.0 GBs and 460.8 GBs. Part 3 Features. DirectX version 12 Ultimate 12.2. OpenGL version 4.6. OpenCL version 3.0. Valukan 1.3. Shared model 6.6. Part 4 General information. Thermal design power 150 watt and 190 watt. Suggested PSU 450 watt. Outputs 1 into HDMI 2.1, 3 into DisplayPort 2.0. Power connectors 1 into 8 pin. Slot wide dual slot. Wide 115 mm 4.5 inch. Length 10.7 inch. Thanks for watching. For more updates, subscribe to my channel.